Today, I am reviewing bvate 14-inch laptop 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a reliable, lightweight, and versatile laptop for business, study, or everyday use, the bvate 14-inch 2025 laptop is worth a serious look. This laptop combines modern portability with practical performance, making it perfect for students, professionals, or anyone on the go. Starting with the display, this laptop features a 14-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS screen. The colors are vivid, the contrast is impressive, and thanks to the ultra-thin 3mm bezels, you get a clean, immersive viewing experience. Whether you're working on documents, watching videos, or browsing the web, the screen ensures clear visuals with natural color expression. The anti-glare finish also helps reduce eye strain during long hours of work or study, making it very comfortable for extended usage. Under the hood, the bvate laptop is powered by an Intel Celeron N4020 processor. It operates at a base speed of 1.1 GHz and can boost up to 2.8 GHz, which is perfect for everyday productivity tasks such as word processing, web browsing, online meetings, and media playback. While it's not a powerhouse for heavy gaming, it handles Windows 11 smoothly, offering a responsive experience for basic computing. The 6GB DDR4 RAM ensures decent multitasking capability, so you can keep multiple apps and browser tabs open without significant slowdowns. Storage is handled by a 256GB SSD, which allows fast boot times and quick file transfers. For those needing extra space, you can expand storage easily via the TF card slot or replace the SSD, giving you flexibility for files, projects, and multimedia content. The laptop comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, which provides reliable all-day usage for students or office professionals who need a machine that keeps up with their pace. When it comes to connectivity, this laptop is well equipped. It features dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, USB 3.0 ports, mini HDMI, and headphone jacks, covering all the essentials for work, entertainment, and peripheral support. You also get a 2MP front camera, perfect for remote learning, video conferencing, or online meetings, which is increasingly important in today's hybrid work and learning environments. The design of the bvate laptop is sleek and practical. It weighs just 1.3 kilograms, making it extremely portable. The 180-degree hinge allows full opening for sharing screens during presentations, and the included silicone keyboard protector helps maintain the keyboard's durability while keeping it clean. It also comes with a wireless mouse, charger, and user manual, so you're ready to go right out of the box. One standout feature of this laptop is its upgradable storage and maintenance-friendly design. A small rectangular panel on the back allows you to access the SSD easily, providing flexibility for future upgrades. This is a feature rarely found in laptops at this price range, giving it a practical edge. Overall, the bvate 2025 14-inch laptop is a solid choice for students, business users, or anyone needing a lightweight, efficient, and portable machine. It balances portability, performance, and display quality at an affordable price. Its Full HD display, responsive SSD, and Windows 11 operating system make it ideal for work, entertainment, and learning. For anyone looking for a dependable daily driver that's easy to carry and practical, this laptop delivers exactly what you need.